YouTube?
We
are
back!
Back with another video, baby!
What are you shooting? You're shooting me? How would you shoot me?
Before we start this video, I want to remind our very special subscribers that you guys got one more week to win the Coquito giveaway. Y'all remember the rules? Want to tell them?
First of all, I want to let you guys know one more week is December 20th.
February.
You know, I don't know.
February.
I'm a little tired.
February. So, February.
December 20th. Next Friday, guys, is the deadline that you guys have to win a bottle of Coquito.
February.
Two lucky winners, all right?
All right.
The first one is...
February.
is the person who sells the most bottle of Coquitos will get a... Where you going to? Will get a lucky bottle of Coquitos.
Say what? The person who sells?
Who buys...
What the? Cut.
Who buys the most bottles?
The person who... And so, like I was saying, we're giving away...
Can I just say what we're cooking today?
No.
Oh.
So we're giving away 2 bottles. The first winner is the person that purchases the most bottles of Coquito. That's the first winner. The second winner is the person that shares our YouTube or our IG, same name, Cooking Comedy, the most. Tag us, comment, let us know. That's it. We're giving away 2 bottles. Next Friday is the deadline. You got to be in it to win it. So back to the cooking.
That's what I said.
Anyways, so back to the cooking. What are we cooking today?
Now see, this is what I do. We're making...
The violence already. Come on. You can't go 5 minutes.
This is what I do.
5
We're
minutes.
making... This is my favorite part. This is... You see my chef hat, guys? You see it? You see it, babe?
No, we see a bun on your head.
Yeah. I mean,
We
well...
don't see no chef hat.
Stop trying to play me.
I'm not trying to play you.
We're making a breakfast casserole.
You got a gray hair.
That's your fault.
Ooh.
Because you'll stress me out all the time.
Wait, that's 2 gray hairs.
Yes.
Look. Oh.
It's your government.
That's
Your first and your
3,
last name.
4. Anyways, so stop the violence.
I'm not being violent.
Can we just get along?
Guys, so you know how we normally make dinner and snacks and lunch, right?
Yeah.
But you making faces behind my back?
No, I'm not. Come on, let's go.
But we're making
But
breakfast.
we're making breakfast.
Keep mocking me.
Keep mocking me. Oh, come on. Stop the violence.
I didn't even touch him. Yes,
Somebody call 911.
I didn't even touch him.
Report. Stop.
I
Stop
didn't.
touching me. Ow. Somebody call
Why are you
911.
holding your bumsy?
Because you pinched it. Tell them what we cooking so we can start the damn
I did.
video.
We're making breakfast casserole. Pay attention, bro.
Damn, you
attention.
always ruining it.
Guys, so when we come back, we're going to show you how it goes.
Did y'all even hear what we're making?
A breakfast casserole for the 4th time. Pay attention.
You know what? I need a new chef. Seriously, Yo, guys, comment below if you want to come cook with me. I need a new chef. That's it. I had enough.
Hello.
What?
Hello.
So stay tuned. When we come back, we're going to show you how to make this breakfast casserole. And you're fired. Go in.
You can't fire the chef.
Oh my God, you're so Puerto Rican. Why are you so loud?
It's going
Down. chefs and chefettes. I'm back. Let me show you the ingredients. So come close. All right, so obviously we're making a breakfast casserole. You're gonna need potatoes. We're gonna use about 8 potatoes. You want enough potatoes to fill your dish. So depending on the size of the dish you're gonna use, that's how many potatoes you're gonna use. Then you need your eggs, obviously. So we're using about 8 potatoes, 6 eggs. You're gonna need your seasoning. Whatever you normally season your eggs with, we use salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. You're gonna need that. Then you're gonna need your breakfast meats. Right here we have bacon, we have sausages, beef sausages, and we have pork sausages. Then you need your vegetables, whatever vegetables you prefer, like the vegetables you put in your omelets. So we're gonna use spinach. You wanna put onions, we're gonna use onions, and peppers, feel free to do so. And last, you're gonna need, you're gonna need cheese, and you're gonna need a little milk. So what we're gonna do next is, I'm gonna boil the potatoes for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes just to soften them up, and then dice it up really good so I can put it in a tray. And I'm gonna fry up all the breakfast meats, the bacon, the pork sausages, and beef sausages. Once I fry that up, I'm gonna add my onions, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. So stay tuned. So when we come back, we're boiling the potatoes, and we're gonna cook the breakfast meats, all right? Stay tuned.
Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm chopping up some onions to put in the meat that we have already on the stove. So if you guys forgot, we put the beef, the pork, and the bacon on the stove to cook. All right, we chopped it up, we put it on the stove, we have the potatoes boiling. It's going down for this casserole. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up these onions. As you see, you're probably like, what is that thing right behind the onions that looks so delicious? That's the eggs we scrambled that's gonna go on top, as we told you before, on the casserole towards the end. It's already scrambled with the seasonings that we mentioned earlier, all right? So that's just gonna sit. Let me take these delicious onions and put it in our meat. Look at our meat, guys. Looks good, right? Smells banging. So since our meat is already cooking, I'm just gonna put this onions in here so it can simmer. Mix it together. Right next to me on the left, we have our potatoes. Our potatoes is already done. All right, so what I'm gonna do in a second, I'm going to put it under cold water so I can get ready to peel them. All right. Once I peel them, I'm going to chop them up, and we're gonna put them in our casserole bowl. And when we come back, we're gonna start layering them. Let me get my mittens because if I burn my hand, you're gonna hear me screaming. You wanna hear me scream? You wanna hear me scream? Baby, you like when I scream?
Nope.
But you like when I sing though, right?
Nope. Negative.
Yes, you do. You like when I sing. Let me sing you a song.
Nope.
A little one.
Just lost 2 subscribers.
Stop it.
3.
You love when I sing.
4.
All right, guys. So it's hot. You can even drain some of this hot water. This is cold water we have, all right? We're gonna peel these potatoes, chop them up, put them in our casserole dish, all right? And then we're gonna layer them up when we come back and show you how we do that. So stay tuned for that.
Hey, chef and chefette. What are you doing?
I'm practicing.
We're practicing for what?
Nah, you already know.
Listen, your personal business got nothing to do with our videos. So don't. Anyways, before, really?
Fix your face.
Like I was saying, I'm back. Let me show you what I'm up to.
We back. I'm here. I'm here with you. You don't see me? Look, I'm right here. Look.
So like I was saying, I'm back. Let me show you what we up to. The potato, we boiled it for about 15 minutes. It's supposed to be 10. Well, we did 15 to make sure it's extra soft. We layered the potatoes first in our greased dish. Next, we're going to take the meat, the bacon, the sausages, and the pork sausages. So it's beef sausage, pork sausage, and bacon. We're gonna take that and we're gonna layer it in our tray on top of the potatoes. Spread it out. Spread it out. Make sure you mix it up. Get it all around there. Next, I'm gonna take spinach. I'm gonna put the spinach. I'm gonna spread that about. Basically, we're doing layers. If y'all made mac and cheese, lasagna, pie, y'all know about layers. So we're gonna spread that out.
Last I remember, you don't like that much green.
I don't like greens. You gonna eat it, right? And I don't want to hear your mouth, so I'm putting greens.
I like greens actually.
That's what I said. You like it, so I'm putting it so I don't hear your mouth. So we put that greens. Guys, you can put as many layers as you want. We're doing a one layer right now. It's a long story. So now we're gonna put the last bit of meat. Another layer of meat. I'm gonna spread that around. Make sure you guys spread it around. Don't do like me and put everything in one spot, you know. Spread it around.
Oh.
Something wrong with me. Because it looks like I put everything in the middle. Spread it around, guys. Trust me. Alright, see how that's looking? It's looking like it's gonna taste good.
It looks like you're missing a spot right there.
Hush your mother. Hush your ass. Guys, I'm gonna take that finger and I'm gonna break it off, you know. I'm gonna break your finger.
Just telling you.
Alright, we layered it. Next, I'm going to take the egg mixture, the seasoned egg mixture, and you're gonna cover everything. Make sure you cover everything with the egg. It's gonna seep down to the bottom of the tray. So you cover everything and just let that seep down. See how that's looking? It's gonna soak down in through the potatoes, the sausages, and the spinach. That's what it does. I'm gonna give that about 5 minutes. See it? You see it? Can you see it?
Can you turn it for us?
See it? You see that?
I see it.
So once the egg settles, guys, I'm gonna put a layer of cheese on top. All right?
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. You can do less, but make sure you watch it. But normally, I would recommend you put it in the oven for about 40 minutes so the egg can be cooked properly. All right, guys? So stay tuned. When we come back, I'm gonna show you the finished product. Hold on. Damn! Damn! I'm gonna see you when I get back.
Hey guys, we're back.
We are back! Back with a finished product, baby!
You want some?
That looking kind of small.
Because I wasn't sure.
Where's the rest of it?
Over there.
What is that?
This is our breakfast casserole, silly.
Oh, that's a piece of it.
Right, it's a piece of it.
Where's the rest of it?
It's on our island over there.
That thing looking good.
It is. Do you see the layers, guys? Let me bring it close.
Yeah, bring it close so you can see
So, I hope you guys can see the potatoes and the spinach. You drooling?
it. Not my drawing.
You probably is. You trying to like it?
Nope, not at all.
The spinach and the meat and the...
That thing tastes good. Hey, your daddy's not a glass maker.
You
So
back?
stop blocking the camera, guys. Make this breakfast casserole. It can last you a couple days.
You're so greedy.
You cut a slice, warm it up that day for breakfast. The next.
You're so greedy.
Why is you eat all the meat off of it?
That's the best
cut
part.
a slice and you warm it up in the morning for breakfast.
Yes.
That's like a couple days of food right there.
Yup. You already licked it. You already licked it. No!
Wet
Willie!
No! Okay.
Guys, but for real, make the... You little sucker.
Ain't that little over here?
No, I ain't.
Anyway, guys, make that breakfast casserole. Y'all gonna love it.
It's so good. Well, you should know, he already licked the whole thing. And I tasted the top. It's really good. Put your finger in my ear one more again.
Okay, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
What I'm gonna do?
Wait! Oh, ow! Oh, ow!
Stop crying like a girl.
Close out the video.
All right, guys. So when you see us next time, we're gonna have something extra delicious for you guys. You know, one slap.
That's it,
Right,
guys. So we hope you like this video. Comment, subscribe.
Comment, subscribe, tell a friend about our casserole.
That's it.